Hi, I'm Sherry. Welcome to my channel, Sherry's Chinese Journey. As a mom of four living in the US, I know how challenging and rewarding it can be to learn a new language. While my kids are mastering Chinese, I'm also improving my English, so I completely understand the ups and downs of language learning. On this channel, I will share simple, step-by-step Chinese lessons, fun idioms, and culture stories and practical phrases you can use in real life. My goal is to make learning Chinese fun, practical, and easy to follow. Whether you are a beginner, a parent teaching your kids, or just curious about the Chinese culture, you are in the right place. I hope my video can inspire you to keep going and enjoy the process of learning. Thank you for joining me. Let's learn and grow together. Don't forget to subscribe and start your Chinese journey with me.